Mike with Muddy Boots Off-Road. Today I was out here plugging away again on the Ranger. Need to come up with a name for this thing. I need some comments. Need you guys to start interacting with me on YouTube. Yeah, got the body lift on it, tore some more stuff on it, got the gearbox out of the way, got some of the bracketry that's on it here off. We're going to probably torch off the shock towers and get the frame rails cleaned up a little bit. Today, maybe tomorrow, we'll see. I don't know. Kind of low energy day today. Been a long weekend, been a longer week. So, like my page, subscribe, share with your friends. Would love to get more people involved and get some comments and get some ideas and, you know, see what we should do with the little Ranger here. So, we're gonna get some more stuff tore off the front end of this that we don't need. So let's just get on after that, huh? I feel like I have to hurry when I'm filming. Alright, so we are getting it elevated on jack stands. So the plan is to cut this bad boy off right here. Take that off, get rid of this. We're going to build our own frame out of some square tube and doctor this thing up a lot better. So yeah, she's sitting on 4 jack stands. I got the jack underneath the rear end back here. So yeah, just grab us a line right there, do a couple measurements, possibly cut that off. We'll have a cab and that's it. Something dramatic going on. Let's see. I don't even think I destroyed that. Oh, we got one bolt right there. Airing that tire up and down. I'm not ready yet. Get your grit disc. Shit's happening. Alright, cool. Well, we're destroying it now, that's for sure. You know what? Let's put it back together. Alright. That's about as far as I'm going to get today on it. It was way farther than I planned, that's for sure.